Today we're going to check out the electric Harley Davidson. Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Well, today I test rode the Harley Davidson LiveWire. Now, I hadn't planned on making a video, but when I offloaded my helmet, I recognized that I had my GoPro on it, and I shot a little bit of video. Well, I guess I shot the entire test ride. It's about 8 minutes, and after my little spiel here, I'll put that. But before we get to that, I'm just going to let you know, I already did the test ride. Look, I got a t-shirt and a poster that you saw in the opening, and it was very interesting. I have ridden electric motorcycles before, and this is the best electric motorcycle that I have ridden. It's pretty darn badass, actually. The biggest downfall for this thing is its price. It is priced at $34,000. Now, I don't know how well they're selling, or if they're selling at all. That price is a pretty big kick in the butt. That being said, it is a really amazing electric bike. Now, there's going to be people who want nothing to do with electric motorcycles, and I love engines. Obviously, if you watch my channel, I love getting them going, fixing them, repairing them, and things are going to be very different when the electric bike comes out. Obviously it's out when it becomes more mainstream, and I think it is going to happen. So, it's just the way of the world. Things change. You either keep up with the change or you get passed by. I don't think it's something that's going to happen this year, next year, even 5 years down the road, but it is going to happen. If you get a chance to ride one of these motorcycles, take the opportunity and do it. Whether or not you are in the market for one, which, like I said, I'm not in the market for one, it's an eye-opener. It's a very interesting machine. So that being said, you can check out my test ride video of it. Unfortunately, my GoPro camera was kind of aimed down a little more than I'd like, so and I still have not got a decent operating microphone, which things are going to change here soon on that. But my GoPro only has the microphone built into it at this point. Okay, on to the test ride. All right, electric Harley. This is the LiveWire test ride. So you turn it on, and you press your start button here. Once the screen comes on, press start. There you go. Mine is running. I'm in rain mode, and you can switch the modes here. So I think I'm good. I'm going to give it a shot here. Yep, there you go. Look at that. Wow, this is interesting. No clutch.
on this thing. It's not as abrupt as I would think it would be. Suspension's fairly stiff. I don't know if you can see the S here, but that's sport mode, and it really has a lot of regenerative braking.
One more block for the freeway.
What's that?
One block for the freeway.
Okay, we're going to do some freeway. All right.
Yeah, one block for the freeway.
I didn't think we were going to hit freeway. That'll be interesting.
I'm sure you'll pass me up.
I'm sure if I had one of these, I would be riding it in sport mode all the time, which would probably diminish the battery the fastest. But I like it. Would have no trouble keeping up with anything, would it?
Wow, dude, that's a suck. That's impressive.
Yeah, this bike would have zero problem keeping up.
Wow, this will kick something's ass real quick.
Put these back over here. The slow speed is amazing on these.
Go again. Go again.
And I guess you just do that number there to shut it off.
Okay, once again I apologize. The audio is not great on that, and of course neither was the camera angle all that great, but what an interesting ride. Very glad to have had the opportunity to test ride that motorcycle. And if you're into bikes and you see the chance to ride one of those, take it. It's fun. I never really would have imagined that an electric bike would be so fun, but it is. So, all right, that's enough. If you're digging what I'm putting out, give me a thumbs up. If you would, please leave a comment down below. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.